How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm back again with my entry into the small scale group build, which starts February 1st and will end on the 28th. Alright, before we get this started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. I'll never ask you for a dime, guys. I don't need to grow. The only thing I'll ask from you is support everybody in this community, this big modeling community. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Go over there, give them a like, share, and subscribe. I'll always leave a link in the description below for them. If it wasn't for my supporters, my subscribers, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thank you. Alright, let's get this thing kicked off here. Alright, y'all know this man right here. This is Dan the Man from 60s Rule Channel. He is host of the small scale group build along with myself. And y'all don't know him? Well, get over there and give him a like, share, subscribe. You know the deal. Get over there and check him out. And he's also got his own group build going, which is the Psychedelic 60s group build. Y'all get over there and y'all join that. That's another great group build, guys. Thank you, Dan. Always thank you. Much appreciated for you helping me with this. Alright, let's move you out of the way here. Alright, this will be the model I've decided to build this year. This thing is 143rd. It is a model I got off my buddy George Woods a few years back. It is, you can see he paid probably $6.99 for it years ago, probably back in the 80s, whenever this thing come out. This is like one awesome kit. It is super small, guys, but it is very highly detailed. And if y'all ever get a chance, go get you one of these kits. This kit is awesome, which we're going to go through it here in just a second. You can see right there. It's got photo etched wheels. It's just, the thing is amazing. It's got engine detail. See if there's a year on this. 1990. 1990 is when this come out, guys. 1990. See right there. 289 Cobra on the back. You can see the parts that comes with it. Look at that. Photo etched grill. Photo etched dash, photo etched wire wheels with the knockoffs, little emblems and stuff. I mean, this thing is awesome. Look at this. This is very, very detailed, very small. I mean, this thing is 43rd scale. It's a hair bigger than Hot Wheels, guys. It's small. Let's open this bad boy up and let's see what we got going on inside of here. Alright, let's get this thing up out of the way. Okay, let's go through the first sprue real quick. Well, let's do the instructions. Or destructions or whatever. Alright, AC Cobra. Let's get this thing opened up here. If I can get it opened up, I swear. Alright, let's start with number 1. You got the rear suspension and diff. You got the chassis and rear suspension. Number 3, you got the front suspension. And, I don't know, control arm, whatever them things are called. And putting it in its place. Number 5, you got that little 289 powerhouse right there, guys. That's an awesome engine right there. And then you got putting it in the chassis. You got the headers to put on. Then you go over here, you got the radiator. You got the overflow bottle. Looks to me like you got a firewall right here. And then you got the interior tub. You got the shifter. Then you go right here and you have the photo etched dash and steering wheel. If you look at that steering wheel, you got to bend the steering wheel, everything just right. Put the seats in. Shows you putting it in. The chassis to the body. Go over there and it shows you how to do these wheels. Look at that. Very intricate, guys. Putting the wheels on. Putting on your transmission. Or, your oil pan. Sump. Your exhaust. Shows putting on your photo etch grill and all your little emblems, hood, all that stuff. And then you go down here and it shows putting on your gas cap, your little emblems, stuff like that, bumpers. Go right here and it shows how to do the windscreen. Guys, this stuff right here is going to be very intricate right there. Then it also shows the stripes. You want to make a racing version, which that's what I'm going to do. I always make racing versions if I can. Not all the time, but 99% of the time, if I can make it a racing version, I'm going to. So there she is, guys. There's the instructions. Let's get this thing closed back up. Alright, let's take out the first. Yeah, these are already in bags here that I put in. Alright. I've had this and bent over that way to fit in that bag. I just broke it off. You can see right there, there's parts of the firewall. That'd be the dashboard right there that the stuff goes to. This right here. Look how small these parts are, guys. Look at my hands. Look how small these parts are. That's your engines, your interior tub, suspension. Look at this stuff. Look at them headers. Oh my God, guys. I'm going to have a heck of a time with this because I'm already blind. Let's see. We got chrome parts. Inner part of the wheels. Your bumper. Look at the valve covers there, guys. They're so small, but they still. There they go. Still have all that detail to them, guys. I mean, amazing. Here is the photo etch parts. Yes, one of the wheels has already made it up just to see how it looked, but it'll come back apart because the back will have to be painted and stuff. But look at this, guys. I don't even know how I'm going to do that. My eyesight sucks so bad, but I'm going to figure it out. I'll get her done. Look at this, guys. Gosh. Then here's the clear parts, which I'm not taking out of there. I'll just leave them in there. Put those back in there. Those I will put back in the bag real quick. And then look at these decals, guys. Look at that. Very, very nice. Yeah. I'll probably do the white stripes, probably. And it'll probably be blue, more than likely. I almost thought about the white car with the blue stripes. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll just have to look at it and see what I think. But man, them little randles, everything's nice. Little numbers. It's all nice. Put that over there. Here's the chassis. There are the seats, steering wheel, the heads. I mean, just look at this, guys. The detail. Here's the tires. It's even got, what is that, Goodyear on the tires even? My gosh. Get these little parts out of here. There's little miscellaneous parts. There's the hood. There's the hood. There's the intake. Here's one of the wheels put together just to see what it looks like. You can see that back half of the wheel will have to be painted black. That way when you look through those spokes, you'll see that. But very, very cool. That is going to be awesome. It'll have to be cleaned up and Done it was just thrown together just to show you the size of this thing. Look there. Look there, guys. That's how small we're dealing with. Look at this. That's the palm of my hand. There's the body. Yeah. Alright, guys, there it is. There it is. That's what I'm building for the small scale group build. Get over there, check old Dan the man out. He truly is the man. And like, share, subscribe. Peace out.